Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nae, and in today's video I'll be working with the Vshow hair company. So getting straight into this video, I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I received in my package. I got a wig cap, I got this card. It has like hair tips and like their Instagram and all that great stuff, and this 26-inch blonde frontal wig. So this is how the wig looks coming straight out the package. It was nice and full. As you can see, I'm running my hands through it. It was really soft. So I'm just gonna show you guys the inside of the wig. There was one comb at the top, there was two combs at the side, and one at the back. The wig also has the adjustable band where you can tighten the wig when you put on the wig so it fits your head better. So this is just a view of the inside, and I'm just showing you guys how the outside looks. This wig was really nice. You guys will see that during the install portion, but yeah. So guys, let's get into this. And I believe this lace was transparent as well because it blended really well. So yeah. So as always, I come with 6 straight backs. You want to make sure the braids are nice and flat. And then I'm going in with my got2b free spray and my blow dryer, and I am just brushing away any little hairs that can get caught up in the glue or any adhesive that I'll be using. Next, I'll be going in with the wig cap that I received in my package, and I'm just going to put that on my head and over my ears. So guys, don't mind the razor that I'm coming with because I could not find a pair of scissors, so I was just improvising. But yeah, you want to cut the ear tabs so your ears can go through that hole. That way the wig cap just sits better. But I'm just using my free spray and I'm spraying around my hairline, and then I'm going to make it dry. So once my wig cap is dried, I'm going in with my concealer, and I am just going to apply my concealer all over the top portion of my wig cap. And once I've applied the concealer all over, I'm going to use the same brush and apply the concealer to the inside of the frontal portion of my wig as well. Now that the concealer is all applied, I'm just going in and I am cutting off the excess cap. So anything that hasn't been sprayed down is what I'm cutting off, as you can see. Alright guys, so you want to make sure that you cut off this extra piece at the back of the wig because you do not want it hanging down. So make sure you get rid of that piece, and then I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. So I use the comb at the back and I stick it in the back of my head, and then I pull the wig up. You want to make sure you measure the wig, and you just want to see that your entire wig cap is covered, so you're not seeing it over the hairline of the wig itself. So guys, once that's done, you want to go ahead and cut out your ear tabs. So what I do is I part around my ear, and anything that's covering my ear, you want to just cut that off. That way your ear can come through. So for this install, I'll be using this Ebin adhesive spray. This is the active spray. I have tried the regular one, which is the one in the yellow bottle, but this is my first time trying the active spray. So what I did was I literally just sprayed it on top of the hairline and used my blow dryer in sections and dried it. So once I did one portion, as you can see, one side, I did the top portion, dried it, and then I did the next side. So once I've applied the spray to my entire hairline, I'm just going in with my melt band and I am going to tie it around my head. And once it's secured, I'm just going to wait for the hairline to dry. I waited about 15 minutes before removing my melt band and it was completely dry. It was actually kind of stiff. So I went in with my comb and I just combed out the hairline a bit. And now I'm going in with my scissors and my razor and I'm just going to cut off the excess lace, I should say. I like it using the razor honestly better than scissors, but this razor was really dull, but I mean it got the job done. So you always want to use a fresh razor though. So now that all the extra lace is off, I'm just going back in with the spray and I'm respraying my hairline a bit, and then I'm going to take back the same melt band and reapply it around my head and leave it there to sit. I literally made it sit for the entire night. So I'm going to see you guys in the next clip tomorrow at the salon getting ready to style this hair. So this is how my hair is looking right now. I took the melt band off and I just had my hair tied with a hair tie. So I'm just going and I'm combing my hair. I am going to be doing a half up, half down with like 2 small bangs. So I'm going to part out my bang area first. So I'm just doing like 2 little U-part shapes for my bang at the front. So you're gonna do a center part and then part out the bang area. Once the bangs are parted, I'm going in with my flat iron and I am just pressing out the top portion of my hair, and I'm combing all the hair back because I will be doing a ponytail, well, a half up, half down. So the front part is going to be in a ponytail. So I'm going in with my wax stick. This is just to help it slick better. And I'm going to use the wax stick all over the front portion and my hot comb and catch the hair up in one. Once my hair is slicked back, I'm going in with a rubber band and I'm just catching that top portion up into a ponytail. So you want to make sure your hair is flat before doing this, and you need some tension because you don't want the ponytail to be loose either. Now that I have my bangs out the way, my half up, half down is done. I'm going in with my Vshow and I'm just going to spread it all over the hair, and I'm going to start curling this hair. I'm going to be doing wand curls. This wand I've had for ages, guys. It's been a while, so if I can find it, I will link it down below, but it is from Hot Tools. So I'll be wanding the entire wig, and that's why I decided to do it the day after, because I was going out, so I wanted it to be fresh. So now you'll just see me wanding the hair, and I like to wrap the hair around the wand, leave it for a few seconds, and then take it off and hold it before I drop it. So watch me as I work. Once I finish curling my hair, I'm just using my hot comb, and I am hot combing my sideburns towards the front. You want to be careful if you're doing this because it is possible to burn your ears, and you do not want that. So once that is done, I'm also going to hot comb my bangs to the sides. So I'm using my wax stick, and then I'm going in with my hot comb and I'm pressing it down, because as you can see, there's kind of like a lump on the next one if you don't use the hot comb, and then this one is like straight. So that's what we're doing right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and trim my sideburns and also the bangs. So I didn't want short sideburns, I did still want to curl it, so I kind of just trimmed it a bit and used the end tip of my wand and curled it. Now I'm basically doing the same thing for my bang. I just cut the ends a bit, and then I'm going in with my wand and curling it as well. So now you just want to play around with it because the style is basically done. So I'm just combing through the curls a bit. I'm about to actually wrap my ponytail as well. But you just want to comb through the curls, nice loose curls. That's exactly what I did. And as I said before, I'm going to wrap a small piece around my ponytail to make it look even better. It just has a more sleek look to it when you don't see any band on your ponytail. So I'm just taking a small piece and wrapping it around. And that is basically it for the hairstyle. I did go in with some gloss spray as well to finish it off. But yeah, guys, this is how the half up, half down is looking. I thought it looked so nice. I did this hairstyle for, you know, a little date night, but it turned out super cute. So if you guys like this wig, make sure you check out Vshow Hair Company. Shout out to them for sending this to me because I loved this style. So all the information will be down in my description box below. So yeah, check them out. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you know every time I upload, and like this video. Also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this style. And yeah, you can tell I was feeling myself. But guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.